Hey guys, you might be wondering why we're here today. Well, I want to break it to you. I'm homeless. Do you guys, is it thin noodles or is it the wavy noodles? Yeah, I'll get the same and I'll get teriyaki as well. Anyways, it's move out day and I was thinking a few days before, I was like thinking back to all my memories during the first year of college, and I realized it was the times when I took the biggest risks that I was, having the most fun, and I remember the most out of my journey. So I decided, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna cancel my flight, and I decided, hey, let's just go homeless and see what happens. And I'm gonna call this series Rags to Riches. So lately, over the past month and a half, I started an e-commerce business. I've been in e-commerce for a number of years now. I stopped for a while, but I just got back into it and I decided, okay, let's use that money that I'm making from my e-commerce business to support my homelessness. The goal is to save up enough money from my dropshipping to travel somewhere, maybe go somewhere cheaper like Thailand, Bali, or Philippines, and just live that out for a little bit and yeah, see what happens. Right now we're at a ramen place having some good food, my first meal of the day. I should have that entire bowl of ramen.
That's what I told you. Go to the restroom. Take your time. Yeah, okay. I think that's a key word here.
Wow, so delicious. So basically, even though I've been making money the past few days, I'm gonna start the counter at today, which is like whatever sales I have today is the money I have. So from today on is how much income I'm actually making. So yeah, enjoy some good food. So here's a little backstory on Shane. He's my friend from my hall, but originally he was gonna go back today. His flight was at, what time was it? Like 3?
It was like 1.
It was at 1, right? Halfway there, they call him and tell him that his flight's canceled. So he's homeless as well for a day. So yeah, he's gonna be with me on my journey. Okay, so we have a little bit of a problem. The place that we were staying at, the doors automatically lock and I only had one key to it. I checked my pocket, checked my wallet, the key's not there. Fuck. We don't know what to do. We're going back. Hopefully the key's just like inside the door and I forgot to pull it out. Otherwise, we're fucked. All right, I have to take my shirt off because the stress level was too high, but we're approaching the door now. Okay, let me just explain the severity of this. So Shane, tomorrow he has a flight out in the morning, and if he can't get his luggage, he doesn't have his passport or anything, so...
Everything is in there.
Yeah, everything's in there. So, if we don't have the key, like, he's screwed.
Oh, God.
I don't see anything. Oh, yes!
Oh, shit!
Yeah! Yes!
Oh, my God.
Oh, let's never do that again, please. Oh, my God.
Give me the key.
Okay.
After you lock it. No.
Rest of our stuff to the undisclosed location. Into the Uber. I got everything loaded. Moving to our temporary shelter. This is our new crib. Well, for me at least. Nothing suspicious at all. But then you go under the table, and what do you know? It's a bed. All right, you guys. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm at $1,187 in sales. That equates to around, in profit, around $600. But anyways, I'm here with my fellow homeless friend, Shane, and he's here to ask me a bunch of questions about my business.
So what type of business are you like planning on working? Like currently working?
So the business I'm currently doing is called e-commerce. So it's online business.
Okay.
So basically, I have a website, and I run advertisements to that website, and then people just they buy my stuff and I make money.
Oh, so what kind of products do you sell?
I sell. I can't completely disclose what kind of products I sell because if other people see it, they'll steal my product.
Okay.
But I sell. One of my products is a custom action figure.
Action figures.
And then the other ones are just like, I don't know. It's just cool little toys, right?
Okay.
For a certain segment of people.
So your main target of customer is teenagers?
I wouldn't say teenagers. I would say like most of our people are from 18 to around 35 years old.
18 to 35.
Yeah. We have a lot of like 30-year-old buyers. I'm not sure if they're getting it for their kids or if they're actually getting it for themselves.
Can you give examples of the action figures? Like what type of action figures do you
Here, I'll show you.
You show me.
But those people who are
Can't see
watching, you guys
Okay.
can't see it. This niche is super profitable. One of my friends, I gave him my product as well. I gave him a product in this niche, and now he's doing like $400 every day.
Whoa.
So anyways, so these are our products, and I remember earlier you were asking me about how I get these products made and stuff.
Yeah.
And how that all works. What I do is a combination of dropshipping and custom products. But all of it is dropshipped. So what dropshipping means is you have somebody else shipping it for you. So when the customer makes a purchase, they pay you, and then you pay a supplier to ship out the product.
Got it.
Right?
Got it.
So basically, I have a warehouse in China, and when someone buys something from my web store, I have all the product in my warehouse in China. So my supplier, they'll just fulfill everything for me, and the customer gets the product. We're actually working out a branding deal with like a big athlete. So if that's the case, we're gonna have our own warehouse in the USA.
Well, which athlete?
He's a skateboarder. He's a professional skateboarder. Yeah, I looked up to him for like a super long time. So it's super cool that I get to work with him. With this business, I literally started with $50. We ended up having 2 interns, and then I brought on a business partner because he handles all the background stuff, right? All the accounting, all the legality stuff, right? So I don't have to deal with any of that. All I have to deal with is just making sales.
Thank you, Steven.
All right, yeah. So that's a quick Q&A.
Yeah.
If you guys got questions, leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. And also you guys can DM me at Steven Guo _ and I'll try to answer any of your questions. Alright, so I'm about to head over to Jetsetfly's house. There is a business prospect that's coming up, so I'm gonna talk to him and we're gonna work some stuff through. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright, we made it. Looks like there's a few cars here. I'm not sure who's here, but we'll see. Got Josh's little GTR, the Jetzilla. Anyways, I'll see you guys inside. So we're out here doing a little quick Facebook session, teaching them how to do their shit properly because they're wasting a lot of money. I'm kind of just revealing all your ads right now, but it's okay, they're shit anyways. Alright, so I'm just chilling at Josh's house still. Met some dope homies. What's up, bro?
What's
some
good?
e-com homies.
What up?
Hey. Yeah, talk some strategy, so what's up, gang? Hey. But yeah, so talk some strategies, learned a bunch of shit. Hopefully I gave some value as well. We were teaching some students earlier. They're pretty fucked, like all their ads.
Oh, imagine committing money, time, fucking like resources, like fucking like literally flying across fucking whatever, spending hours and hours, bro. Like I think we count hours.
Hey guys, so I just got back from Josh's. Oh man, I'm so tired. So yesterday we ended with, if you can see, I'm not expecting today to do as well, but at Josh's I met a bunch of e-com homies and we talked a lot of strategy, so I'm implementing the strategies pretty soon. So hopefully we can scale to 10K a day within the next 2 or 3 months. I'm hoping by the end of this month, we're gonna scale to 2K a day. That's my realistic goal. Unrealistically, I wanna go to 5K a day. I think it's very doable once we start scaling our other products, as well as when we start, doing video lookalikes. We're staying here tonight at the studio with my little bed in it. I'll probably sleep at Josh's a few nights just because I'll be working. I'll clean up and I'll see you guys tomorrow.